students. Okay, I'm back for you. It's a standard fourth, and the subject is SS, and we are on now the chapter 4, the Southern Plateau. Okay, the chapter 4 is the Southern Plateau. Southern Plateau is the southern part of our India's feature. Okay. We already learned in a previous lecture. There is a chapter 1, India our country. Okay, India our country. In this chapter we already learned about the features of our country, and the location of it, where it is located. It is located the southern part of the Asia continent. Okay, southern part of the Asia continent, and there is a many countries border attached with our country, and there is a Himalaya. It's the natural border of our countries. Okay, it is in the north of our countries there. And the second is the plain. There is a northern plain area, very fertile plain area. Okay, and the third is the desert area, and the fourth is the coastal. The coastal means the near the sea area. Okay, which is very long area of our country. And the fifth number is the Southern Plateau. Okay, we are on it now. The Southern Plateau. Okay, and we already learned about the many islands. Okay, many islands, Andaman Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands also. Okay, there is downside the Sea of the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Oceans also there. Okay, we have a very natural property. We have a natural sea. We have a mountain and range of Himalaya. So climate of our countries it's a very good. Okay, some area is very cold. Okay, northern portion of our country is very cold. There is a snowfall. Okay, there is a snowfall, and the downside the coastal area, it's a moderate climate. Moderate climate means what? Moderate means not so hot and not so cold, because they nearer to sea. So there is a wind not so hot and not so cold. So the climate of it's moderate. And the other part of the plateau area, there is a summer is very hot and the winter is warm, just warm. Okay, and then we already learned the 5 features of our countries. Okay, now we are on the three features. Okay, the first feature is the mountain area, the Himalayan range, the abode of snow. The abode of snow, the abode of snow, the portion of the north, starting from north to the east. Okay, starting from north to east, there is a 3 range, the 3 Himalayan range. The first is the Greater Himalaya range. Second is the second Himalaya range, and the third. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 range there. Okay, the first range of Himalaya, it's about 6,000 to 8,000 meter long. Okay, 6,000 to 8,000 meters. And the second range is about 4,000 to 5,000 meters. And the downside, it's 900 to 12,000 meter long. So it's divided by lengthwise the 1, 2, and 3. The first portion of this, it's a mostly snow cover area, and it's a very hilly area. There is mostly snow cover every year. Okay, and there is a many glacier also, just like Gangotri, Yamunotri, Okay, the glacier also. And when in summer the ice melted, the glacier melted, and the water come from like a river. Okay, water come from like a river there. The Ganga from Gangotri glacier, and the Yamuna from Yamunotri glacier. Then the it's a physical features of Himalayan range. Okay, there is a second range. There is a many hill station. Okay, many hill station. Tourists go there. Tourists go there for enjoyment there. It's a very beautiful portion of our countries. Okay, just like a heaven. So it's a very beautiful. Mostly tourists all over the world attract there and go there. Okay, and the last portion there is a tea cultivation. Okay, because of the hilly area, so they cut the hill and doing the terrace farming. Okay, tea cultivation the main occupation of the people. Okay, different step, different costumes there, different language of them. So we already learned about this. Okay, now the second the fertile plain. We already learned in chapter number 3. The second portion of this area, very fertile area. Okay, it's a plain area. It's a plain. Okay, from hilly to plain. Okay, the northern portion, it's a very hilly, the Himalayan range. The west side the desert, the east side the Purvanchal range, and the downside the southern plain. So it's this area very fertile area. It is also divided by physical features the three way. There is the first is the Satluj basin, there is many rivers come from Himalaya range. Okay, and there is a Punjab, Haryana. Okay, it's covered in a Satluj range. Okay, there because of the force of the rivers, because they make many tributaries and these tributaries also. Okay, so it's because of this area very fertile. Okay, so there is easy to irrigation for agriculture. Okay, easy to electrical power generation. So it's a very important. Okay, there is a many rivers, and Satluj basin, there is this river going to join the Pakistan. Okay, so the second portion is the Ganga basin, which is very fertile, which is very important, because there is a Triveni Sangam. Okay, Triveni Sangam is the tri-river meet there. There is a Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati meet the one place. It is in Prayagraj, and they meet there, and it's a religious importance of the Hindus also. So, and the Hindus also, and the Ganga basin, it's very important for anyone. Okay, and the third portion is the Brahmaputra basin, which is also tributaries of the Ganga. So Brahmaputra basin, it's very fertile also. The Sundarban delta come there. Okay, so it's the very largest delta of the world. It's the largest delta, and which is very fertile. So it is also important for these features. Now we are on the chapter 4. It's the southern plateau. The other portion of our country, it's the southern plateau. This plateau is the large plateau. Okay, which is the very large features of our country. So it's the south of the fertile plain. Okay, where it is located actually, it is the south of the northern plain area, south side. Then it's a flat land and the higher than the land around. It's a flat land and it's a higher. Okay, and the other side is the coastal area, coast area. So it's a down area, and this area, the plateau area, it's a higher. Okay, it's a table land. Okay, and it's a table land is very important to in agriculture and the industries. It's a very important for agriculture also and the industries for the raw material. Okay, so this area is also very important. Now it's a slopes from west to east. It has a slope, not a perfect flat. Okay, it's a slope downside. Okay, where it is there, it's a west to east side. It's a down like that. Okay, so it's a west to east side. It's a slope then. Okay, so now the actual location where it is located. So it's a location. There is also three part of this plateau. Okay, one is the Malwa area. The second is the Chota Nagpur, and the third is the Deccan. So the first is the Malwa, where it is in a southern plateau. So the Malwa is the northwest part. It's a northwest part. In a southern plateau, it's a Malwa area. It's a northwest side, and it's a between the Vindhya and the Aravalli hills. It's a between. Where it is located? It's a between of the Vindhya and Aravalli hills. Between in this. Okay, between the two hills. Okay, Vindhya and Aravalli. Okay. Now the second, Chota Nagpur. Chota Nagpur is the northeast. It is the northeast. It's where it is located. It's the northeastern side. Okay, northeastern side. The Malwa is the northwest side, and the second, the Chota Nagpur is the northeast side. It's a extending till the Rajmahal hills. Okay, where it is extending till the Rajmahal hills. And the third is the Deccan. And the Deccan area, it's a southern. Okay, other portion of it, it's a southern extension. It's a Deccan. Okay, the Deccan area. Now, now we are on the climate of this area, the southern plateau area. The climate of this, it's a hot and humid. Okay, the climate of it's a hot and humid during summer season. Okay, very hot and humid. Okay, and the warm in a winter. Okay, there is a hot and humid in a summer season, but warm. There is the winter is warm in this area. Okay, and the rainfall. Okay, now we have a three seasons. So summer, winter, and the rainfall. Rainfall with the monsoon season. The rainfall, it's a varies means the different. Okay, different state. There is a the monsoon is a different from state to state. Okay, there is a many states, and it's a varies. Rainfall is the very different from other states. Okay, it's a varies from a state to state. The southwest monsoon winds, okay, brings the rainfall June to September. Okay, the southwest monsoon winds come in a brings a rainfall June to September. Okay, the southwest monsoon. And the northeast monsoon. Okay, northeast monsoon winds during the October and November. Okay, there is a rainfall during in this area. Southern west monsoon winds brings the rainfall June to September. Okay, in which one? June, July, August, September. Okay, and the northeastern monsoon winds during the October, November, December, October to November. Okay, October to November then. So, okay, we are on there. The climate of is the hot and humid. Okay, hot and humid in a summer season. Okay, and warm in a winter. Okay, rainfall the very state to state. Okay, it's a very there. October and November. Okay, both that. Now we recall it. This period, this southern plateau, it's a very large plateau. Okay, it's a very large plateau. Okay, and the south of the fertile plains. Okay, it is in the south of the fertile plains, and it's a flat higher than the other around it. It's a higher than other lands. Okay, and it's a table land. It's a very important in agriculture and industry. It's a very important for agriculture also, and industries for the raw material. Okay, and the slopes from west to east. It's a slope to west to east side. So, and we are on the location. The location, where is it located? So there is a three division: Malwa, Chotanagar, and Nike. The Malwa is the northwest part, northwest side, and it's between the Vindhya and the Aravalli hills, and the Chotanagpur. It's a northeast, then extending till the Rajmahal hills. Okay, then the Deccan. It's a southern extension. Okay, it's a south. Other portion is the Deccan area. So climate, there is a hot and humid in summer, very warm in winters. Okay, the rainfall different from state to state. There is a southwest monsoon winds brings rainfall June to September. Okay, and the northeast monsoon winds during the October and November. Okay, now the other portion, other part of this chapter. Okay, we will see in next lecture. Thank you.